Did you know that some people are quietly making $500 an hour just by using Google Maps in ways you've never imagined? No, they're not hackers, and no, they're not employees of Google. These are regular people turning Google Maps into a money machine, and the crazy part? Anyone can do this. You don't need a degree, you don't need a huge following, and you definitely don't need to spend months learning some complicated skill. All you need is a strategy. And in this video, I'm handing it to you. So buckle up, because this is about to change how you see Google Maps forever. Google Maps was designed to help people find places. But what if I told you that this same tool can help people find income? There's a hidden gold mine behind those little red business pins on the map. And today, we're going to mine it. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for a legit side hustle that doesn't involve dancing on TikTok, this is your chance. If you've got a phone and an internet connection, you can get started immediately. Google Maps isn't just a navigation tool. It's a database of local businesses, service providers, contact information, customer reviews, and a whole lot more. And savvy online entrepreneurs are using this free information to build services, sell leads, run agencies, and even create AI automated side hustles. Now let's talk about the real challenge. Most people don't know how to monetize their skills. They hear about dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or freelancing, and they get overwhelmed. The truth is, the money isn't just in having a skill, it's in knowing how to position that skill to solve a problem for someone who's already paying for it. And right now, local businesses are begging for help. Many of them don't have websites, they don't show up on Google, their info is outdated, and their reviews? Don't even get me started. These businesses are leaving money on the table, and you, yes you, can step in, fix that, and get paid. You don't need to be an expert, you just need a system. So here's where it gets fun. Let's talk about the methods people are using right now to make real money with Google Maps. One of the easiest strategies is something called local lead generation. You open Google Maps, pick a service-based niche, like plumbers, roofers, or dentists, and search for them in cities where competition is high, but online presence is weak. You'll find listings with bad reviews, no websites, or outdated phone numbers. That's your opportunity. You compile a list, reach out, and offer a simple service. Help them get found, get reviewed, and get customers. Don't know how to build a website? Use a tool like Durable. It builds full sites in 30 seconds. Don't want to manage SEO? Use Sonic to generate Google-optimized content. Want to automate outreach? Use tools like Lemlist or SmartLead. You're now running a digital agency powered by Google Maps and AI tools, and people will pay you hundreds just to show them results. Another method? Affiliate marketing. You don't even need to sell your own services. Use Google Maps to identify high-traffic businesses and partner with affiliate platforms that offer tools for businesses. For example, find a local restaurant with poor online ordering systems. Recommend a better POS or online delivery tool that has an affiliate program. When they sign up, you get paid at month after month. It's passive, it's scalable, and it's powerful. One more, offer review management or GMB optimization services. Find businesses with under 3 stars on Google. Message them with a compelling pitch. I noticed your rating is hurting your visibility. I help businesses get more 5-star reviews ethically. Interested? You can charge $300 and $500 a month for this. Many businesses will say yes if you show them simple proof. And that's where you can use ChatGPT to generate case study emails and social proof templates instantly. Now let's look at someone who took this strategy and scaled it fast. I know a guy, 23 years old, living in Ohio, who used Google Maps to start a simple digital service hustle. He didn't know how to code. He didn't even have a business background. What he did have was a method. He searched for roofers in mid-sized US cities, documented 20 businesses with outdated listings, and pitched them a visibility package. Within 3 weeks, he closed 5 clients at $500 a month. That's a 4 hours, $2,500 recurring, from cold emailing off Google Maps. He reinvested into automation tools, hired a virtual assistant for $5 an hour, and within 3 months, he was making $8,000, $10,000 a month. From Google Maps, from clicking around and offering value. That's the potential sitting right under your nose. Let's wrap this up. Google Maps is not just a tool for directions, it's a treasure map. Businesses everywhere are in desperate need of visibility, automation, websites, reviews, and customer flow. You don't need to be a genius to offer that. You just need a phone, free tools, and a will to act. Use tools like ChatGPT, Durable, OpusClip, and Smartly to scale everything without burnout. If you've been sleeping on Google Maps, now's the time to wake up and cash in. Every red dot on that map is a business opportunity waiting to be served. So stop scrolling, start searching, and get that bag. This is how real online income starts, not with hype, but with hustle. Drop a comment below if you're going to try this. Have questions? Ask. And don't forget to check out my other videos where I show you how to turn free tools into full-time income. Let's build something big together.